Welcome to Buildawebs. In this video I'll show you how you can embed a tweet into your WordPress website just like this one. I'll also show how you can add a Twitter feed that automatically updates just like this, which you can change the colours of and make your own. Follow along with this video to do all of this. So let's see how you can embed a tweet in a post in WordPress. First of all, make sure you go to the WordPress dashboard and then go to posts. You can add it into a new post by clicking add new and doing what I'm going to show next, but we're going to edit an existing one, so I'll just click edit and then we'll go down to the bottom, hit enter, and we'll choose a block, so you can click the plus here and then search for Twitter. There's Twitter, and then we're going to copy the link of the post from Twitter. So if you find the post on Twitter, you click on it and then you copy the link and then paste it in, then choose embed. It then appears. You can also do it where you simply paste it in. So paste it in, it'll find it as well. So there's two different ways there. Let's just remove that one and then choose update. And then let's view it. So if we scroll down, there's the tweet embedded in the post. You can also do it where you embed the tweet using the classic editor, but you need to make sure it's installed. So if we go to plugins, add new, and we install the classic editor, it always appears on this featured page here. Click install now and then choose activate. And then when we go back to posts and we go into the post we were in, it has it there, and then there's that link before there. Take that out. We'll copy the link again like we did before. We'll paste it in and then it appears at the bottom. So that's how you add it into the classic editor. So choose update there. And then again we'll view the post, see what it looks like. There it be. So I'll quickly just deactivate the classic editor. And now let's have a look how we can add a Twitter feed into a post or into a page. So first of all, go into WordPress and then go to plugins and then click add new. And let's search for Twitter feed. Let's install this one here, install now. Choose activate. And then it's activated. So then what you can do, you can go down to the feed them option, and as you can see there's option to put Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. We're going to do Twitter. You click on there, and then what it wants you to do is connect WordPress with your Twitter account. So you can do that, so make sure that you're logged in from where you copied the link before, and then just click this button here. And what it does is it asks you to authorize it, so if you click authorize, and then when you go back, it puts in the access token in here. And then you can save the changes. And then to create a shortcode, so basically a shortcode's a little snippet of code that you can put on posts and pages and other areas of your website, and you can show this feed. So just click here, settings page, and then click on create shortcut, but first of all, make sure you choose Twitter feed. And then you can choose all these options and then click generate shortcode. Actually, I forgot to put the username in. So on Twitter, it's Buildawebs. So whatever you called on Twitter, this section here, put that in. So we'll copy that and we'll paste it in here. And just make sure it's right, because if not, it won't pull the post through into the feed. Then click generate shortcode, and there it's created it. So if you copy this, and then you go to a post, so we'll go to all posts again, go into it, click edit, and then take that out, and then just paste it in. And when you choose update and you view the post, you scroll down, it'll then appear. If you don't like stuff like the colour of the text and different parts, you can change how it looks there by going back in to WordPress, going to feed them, choosing Twitter options, and then you can change different settings. All the different colour settings are down there, and you have a play about with it basically. Yeah, that's how you can add a Twitter feed into your WordPress website, which you could also have done on a page like you've done on the post there. It looks very similar. If you have any questions, please feel free to put in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.